What's going on, guys? Cute is everyone here, and today I'm at
Aidan's house.
Oh, it's zoomed in. So today I'm at Aidan's house.
He's on my basketball team.
Hello.
And on my soccer team. And right now we're watching this game. Not fun. Not sad.
Fun for me.
It's fun for him because he wants the Falcons to win.
And then I want the Packers to win. And today we're gonna have a Nerf war. So
Nerf war, right?
Oh, that was horrible. No! Gotta reload. Oh, oh my God. Oh, you missed! You missed me! Oh!
Aidan 1, Evan 0. Battle begins in 3, 2, 1, fight!
No! 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 Oh no, I missed! I surrender, I surrender!
Aidan 2, Evan nothing.
3, 2, 1, go!
New guns.
Oh! No, it's late.
Oh, that's not my friend. Yeah, it's just a YouTuber.
No!
Hit! It's a hit!
That hit me?
Yes!
Aidan 2, Evan 1.
Time in.
Oh, that dodge. No, you didn't. That's not it. You missed this.
That was totally a hit.
That's it. No, it's not.
I hit you.
No.
Yeah, I did. I hit you. It was punching a bastard off
Yeah,
you.
but I just meleeed you and you're dead.
2, Evan, 2. Game point.
Go.
Oh, Aidan's getting serious. Whoever wins this.
We have that one.
Hot hit.
No, that didn't hit me. That hit you. That hit you. Oh. No.
Guys, thanks for watching the video and
Peace out.
okay. Leave a like and subscribe. We just hit 21 subscribers yesterday. And yeah, thanks for watching. Aidan, anything? Any shout outs you want? Like Snapchat or anything?
Oh. A Snapchat is
Snapchat. He forgets his Snapchat. Did you Snapchat or anything? Well, it's Aidan space Van space Reuter REW.
E.
Yeah,
R-E-U.
yeah. Okay. Bye.